Looking for the ultimate student home in London? Look no further than IQ Paris Gardens, a modern haven where convenience meets style. Choose from a variety of living options, non-ensuite rooms, shared apartments, studios, or private rooms, all designed with resident needs in mind. Enjoy ample storage and a plush bed to relax after a busy day. But that's just the start. Bid farewell to weekend chores with on-site laundry facilities. Stay connected with high-speed internet and unwind with fellow residents in lively social spaces. Enjoy movie nights in the cinema area. Plus, with all utility bills included, you can focus on living your best life. With CCTV cameras and on-site staff, your safety is assured. Located just minutes from the London College of Creative Media and King's College London, you'll never miss a class. After a long day, grab a coffee at Panda Cup Coffee. For Friday night fun, head to Rose and Crown, central London with friends. And with the Stamford Street bus stop nearby, exploring the city is a breeze. Ready to elevate your student experience? Book your dream stay at IQ Paris Gardens London now on amberstudent.com.